All right, guys, so welcome back. I know it's been a little while. I haven't forgotten my HHO setup, but I want to revisit my maglev because I now finally have a decent piece of 304 stainless steel that I can use for the backer plate here. But be careful what you order on eBay. So this is 304 stainless steel, right? Non-magnetic. There's a very powerful magnet there. You see nothing happening. This is supposed to be the same thing. Obviously, it's not. So that's a huge fail and a ripoff. Thank God I have this one that I can reuse that hasn't been ground down, that I can put my new ends on. But I need to cut this stuff. This is 304. This is really thick. I mean, not really thick, but I don't want to do it on my metal bandsaw because it'll eat up the teeth. So I'll have to just probably get a grinding wheel and do it. But let me get some of this stuff together and I'll bring you guys back. Stay tuned. So just a quick thing about drilling stainless steel. It can be done, especially something this thick. You just have to be really patient, lots of oil, slow speed. And then once you get it going through, then you can just plow right through. I tore up one bit, not paying attention to my own rules. But yeah, this is the 304 stainless steel, which is going to be the backer plate here, because I was using aluminum, which was okay, but it's too soft. I need something the same hardness as the pins I use at the end of my rotor shaft. So yeah, it's working. And so I'm going to round this off. That's going to be rough because grinding stainless is a whole nother beast. Anyway, stay tuned. You know, some insights to the building process. So with all the modern technology, the grinders that we have, I got two grinders. Nothing works better than a good old file. Oops. A nice file makes quick work of this. Oh, come on, focus you. Yeah, I mean, the grinder's good for, or the grinding disc is good for getting some bulk stuff, but it's just pushing the metal around. I mean, that's, yeah, anyway, I was really surprised. I tried my bench grinder over there, and that all it did was just heat the stainless up. I mean, I kept quenching it. And then I tried this big old grinding disc. I even tried a cutoff disc, which I know is really dangerous to use on its side. And what really works best is just a regular old elbow grease in a file. Come on, focus you. Anyway, stay tuned. So just as I figured it would, it's running so beautifully, and it auto starts. I turned it on and was going to come over here and give it a spin to get it started, but it just auto starts. I don't know what that noise is. So I gotta figure out where to put the hall sensor, because where I put the hall sensor will also determine the output. Let me turn it off. Oh, there it goes. Listen to that, huh? So it's only running on 9 volts right now. I just turned it off. But the point is, it auto starts. It's running freaking gorgeous. These back plates made all the difference. Also, too, I redesigned my ends, I call these the outer end caps. I redesigned those. My coil is beautiful. Of course, the circuit from Sky is the whole key. I mean, that's what makes or breaks any good 3D printed pulse motor. Here, let me see if I can get it to auto start on command. So I'm turning it on, and of course it doesn't do it. Come on. All right, let me find out what's going on here. I think what happened is this thing slid back because these magnets are really powerful and they're pushing really hard. So I think I have to retighten this, push it up. Again, it's not supposed to be right up against there, but it's running really nice. I don't know what that was all about, but you guys heard the first run. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Stay tuned. I know what I forgot to do, why it's making that noise. I forgot to put the graphite on the back plate. Let's see, it's starting to settle. It's found a spot. But yeah, I gotta give a little spray of graphite in there. Come on. Yeah, I gotta get some graphite in there. Let me get some in there, bring it back. All right, stay tuned. Got a nice hum now. I still haven't put the graphite in. I needed to rearrange. And this is only at 9 volts. And of course, I haven't even tuned it. I have to get the spacing right with the coil and of course the Hall sensor. But I just wanted to get it going because it's been a while since I was able to work on it. And it's working beautifully. Let me turn it off. Yeah. All right. Now that I got it going, there's some things I want to try with it. But I'm really dying to get that HHO going. But I want to try some different coils with this, some different circuits. But for now, this baby's nice. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.